Recording start. Here is, as you can see, is DI receiver built by me. Don't pay attention to real mess on my bench. A lot of components. So we should start here. Check this out. So first stage. Here we have antenna wire, which is connected directly here to the small stump soldering point without input capacitor, but we can add, let's say, 100 picofarads. This is typical resonant circuit. 35 picofarads, 5 turns on 5mm, close wound. It is connected to ground here. Bypass capacitor 56 picofarads leads to this wire to emitter of the RF preamplifier. I have difficulties with this preamp. I use Hitachi or Nets, I'm not sure, C839, but you can use BF199 or C9018. Emitter resistor is here. It is 1K, 1 kilo ohm. This is 1 kilo ohm. A biasing is through 5.6 kilo ohms and 15 mega ohm, 15 kilo ohm. Here is small base capacitor, 100 nanofarads, which decouple bypass base and ground. Ground is here. This wire, which leads to here. This is collector. This collector is connected through 100 microhenry RFC. It is too big, but could be smaller. Let's say 310, maybe 20. I'm not sure. Microhenry. Here we have small 100 ohm resistor, because just needs space. To this coil come power supply, 3 volt. This yellow wire is the connection between collector and 15 picofarads, as you can see. Maybe probably okay, 15 picofarads. No. Behind it, it's small 5 picofarads to the base of the oscillator. This 15 picofarads is coupling capacitor between base and here we have coil. As you can see, coil. This is small coil, 4 turns, 7mm wide, connected between ground and this point. On this point is 27 picofarad capacitor, which is resonant tank. Okay. This is top on coil, which is connected through 100 picofarad to oscillator emitter. Oscillator is 9018 resistor. Biasing is through 150 kilo ohms, lead to plus pole. Emitter resistor is 1K. Okay, this is so this is typical Hartley oscillator. We have here. Tuning is used with this old machine. This is scrap from old car radio tuning system with moving core. Here we have little wheel. Okay, next thing is this coil up is also for power supply on top of here, which is connected through 100 ohm resistor through orange EF transformer. EF transformer is typical orange 10.7. This red wire is just grounding of CAN through this, but should be connected here. Here is also ground. Coupling capacitor 100 nanofarads, I think, or 10 nanofarads. I think that's 10. Here is bypass capacitor, which connect transformer with transformer output with first EF amplifier. This is 9011, which is supposed to work good here. Also biasing is 50K, 10K. Collector is connected to transformer over 150 ohms. The small coil is just coupling between these two coils, bobines, RFC chokes. Okay, here is emitter 100 nanofarads and 330 ohms, 330 ohms. Next transformer is, second transformer is also orange, as you may see. Orange transformer, which I also grounded in a bad way with wire. It can be also bypassed better. Here is output. No, output is on the other side, on the side of the grounded or the power supply. Here is ground. Here is a RF coax cable, which leads signal through here on the bypass capacitor. 1 nanofarad. This is the same capacitor here added. Let's wait. Here is also 1 nanofarad. I use poly. Here we have also same system, 15K to base, 10K to ground, biasing. This is also 330 ohm. Here is 115 ohms to collector. Not on collector directly, then on DI output transformer or phase discriminator transformer. Which explain later. This small cup is 100 picofarads. The same cup is here, 100 picofarads. This capacitor is just I think also 1 nanofarad. Bypassing signal over here. Coupling. In some cases this will not work, but here must be, because it's upper side. Also we have here two bobines, RFC, which lead power supply 3 volt here, and coupling capacitors, one electrolyte of I think 47, 47, yes, microfarad. This DI transformer is pulled out from old TV, and I rewind it with 14 turns primary and 12 2 times 6 turns secondary bifilar. Here is the bifilar output. I also add small here 15 ohm resistor to, how to say, choke signal a little bit. This is bypass capacitor, okay, between collector and output. Here is the output, lead us to choke. We have here a little bit ugly mounted. This choke is 100 microhenry. These two are 331 picofarads. This is small 4K7 resistors in the phase discriminator. Also, we have here important two diodes connected in the same way, phase discriminator. Here is ground connection. The ground connection. Then after from the above we use audio signal which lead to 1K, then 1 microfarad capacitor, and bring him to first audio amplifier transistor, stock K, 100K, 470 collector resistor, 330 emitter resistor plus 47 microfarads coupling. Here is the output from 4.7 microfarads, lead us to coaxial cable to potentiometer. From the potentiometer goes to here on this small power amplifier, which is metal plate is bad condition. I need to replace it. So this is 3 transistor amp, small push-pull amp with biasing, delivering maybe around 0.100 or 150 milliwatts, something like that, on 3 volt. This is our RF shock, because there is a lot of wires out. I need to prevent oscillating. This is tiny 4.7 ohm resistor, 1 watt. These resistors, I think that are BC557 and 547, NPN and PNP, NPN. Also important thing that first transistor have coupling on the emitter, or better amplification factor. So let's try to turn it on. Sorry. So far nothing. We should go to dial. Dial, something is wrong a little bit. Okay, here. He pick up is a stronger station. This is the end. small speaker. This is some few weak station.
Znači kako objekt, tako i kompletna linija i pogon, rastopljeno.
This is here a little bit effects by hand. This is not good. The last station, I think. Range is not full. Range is somewhere from 91 to 107. This is last station. So all in all, that is all, folks. Just some thinking, rethinking. Next step, I will remove these plates and add it to a proper metal plate like this one, but protected, shiny thin metal like this one. And I expect better sensitivity because of this is not very good, because all is spread out. First, transistor amplifier, RF amplifier should be the better, the better, and the grounding should be excellent, not like this one. Okay, that is for now, folks.